Does Zoom keep crashing during meetings or refuse to stay open on your computer? Frequent crashes can interrupt calls, classes, and important presentations, but there are several ways to fix the problem. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zoom keeps crashing in 2026. First, restart your computer. Temporary software conflicts, memory issues, and background processes can sometimes cause Zoom to crash unexpectedly. An outdated version of Zoom may contain bugs or compatibility issues. Open Zoom and check for updates, or download the latest version directly from the Zoom website. Running too many programs at once can consume system resources and make Zoom unstable. Close unnecessary applications before joining a meeting. In some cases, graphics-related settings can cause Zoom to crash. Open Zoom settings and disable hardware acceleration if the option is available. Outdated graphics or audio drivers can create compatibility issues with video conferencing software. Check for driver updates through your operating system or device manufacturer. If crashes continue, uninstall Zoom completely and install a fresh copy. This can fix corrupted files or settings that may be causing the problem. Make sure your operating system is fully updated. Missing updates can sometimes lead to software instability and application crashes. And that's how to fix Zoom keeps crashing in 2026. By updating Zoom, reducing system conflicts, and reinstalling the application when needed, you can resolve most crash-related issues. So try these troubleshooting steps and enjoy more stable Zoom meetings. Thanks for watching.